outside of their church walls and into the Washington Park band shell. The congregation at Parklawn Assembly of God brings ministry to the people during Praise Fest.
To really worship God and to share love with the community.
Song, service, and prayer echo in the area. A week after shots rang out in and near the park about a week ago.
I think we're missing a lot of mentors.
We got me fired up out here in the park today.
Jay English, pastor of youth and community outreach, used Sunday's event as an opportunity for change.
So I'm hoping they see that they have options. You can make different decisions. You can do different things with your life.
Through guidance, folks were drawn to the message of loving yourself and one another.
We're really calling people back to the dignity that God placed within each of us, to respect that image. We're calling people to personal responsibility and to again become stewards of our community.
And we're bringing Washington Park alive today.
Mayor Tom Barrett applauded the efforts of the faith community to build these relationships.
It's mostly about letting people know how intertwined community is with faith. And it's important to have that faith component to what we're trying to do to make this a better city, a safer city, a more prosperous city.
These members are committed to serving and being consistent with their caring.
It has to be, I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to love you regardless of what you do, and I'm going to still be here. Even if you mess up, we're going to help you fix that as well.
In Milwaukee, Derica Williams,